What's up guys, it's Nico aka Neeks back with a brand new video, and if you guys saw my last video, you would have saw that I'm currently in Seoul, South Korea doing my 2-week quarantine. So right now I've been here for 4 days, so I have 10 days left of my quarantine. Pretty much it's 15 days and 14 nights. So because I got here on June 10th at like 7 p.m, I'll be out of quarantine on June 24th. Also excuse the pimple patch on my forehead. Before I came, I was honestly super scared that I was gonna be bored out of my mind, but honestly it hasn't been too bad at all. Right now I'm staying at the Sky Park 2 hotel in Myeongdong, which is pretty much like right downtown Seoul in one of the districts called Myeongdong, and I'm honestly kind of enjoying it. So here at this hotel, they provide me 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the stay obviously, and the total was 1.4 million Korean won, or roughly 1,500 Canadian dollars, which honestly isn't that bad at all. In reality, that's like $100 a day, and it includes 3 meals a day. So I'm gonna show you guys around the small, but honestly pretty nice room. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, you go right into the bathroom. What's up? I put all of my products on the little shelf here on the sink, and then this is the bathtub and shower. The shower head, the water pressure is so strong, it'll literally rip the skin off your back, which I love, and we'll just exit right out of here. So to have all the power turn on, you need to have the key card or the room key in this little thing for everything to turn on. And then this is like the master switch for everything. The bathroom lights here, the 3 other lights are here, and then that button turns everything on. Here is the AC converter. It works so well. This is the bed. This was the thing I was most shocked about because I'm so not used to being in a single bed. But when I'm out, moved into my dorm at Yonsei University, it'll be a single anyways. So this is a good preparation for that. Here's the closet. I hung a few of my sweaters here. Up top are some body lotions that they gave me, but I already had my own in the bathroom, so I just put them up there. I stored some extra food that I brought on this little shelf. In the other closet door, there are just a few extra towels. So I brought this extender, and I'm happy I did, but if we go over here, you will see that there actually is an American/Canadian plug right here. So this is my desk where I go on my computer and I eat all my meals. There is a little chair right here. What's kind of annoying is they make you separate all of the plastic containers that they bring the food in from the actual garbage itself. So there are 2 little garbage bags here. This is my favorite part of the entire room, this gorgeous view of Seoul. As you can see, it just makes everything so much better. I sit at the windowsill here and just stare out at the buildings. Everything is just super pretty. Here is some other food I brought. These are dolmades. They are little Greek grapeseed wrapped rice. I have my Poosh collagen matcha here. I have some more matcha here. I really wanted to stay doing my morning routine to the best of my ability, because I just wanted to keep a routine going. Here is the little mini fridge, and honestly, there's not too much to it. I have my chlorophyll here that I drink every single morning. They give a lot of milk with every meal, and I don't really drink milk, so I'm just kind of like keeping them in here until one day I'll make oatmeal and put a bit of milk in them. And then here is some water they gave alongside a little grill that I brought in case I got some cold food, so I could like heat it up a bit. So they make you check your temperature every day, twice a day, and record it onto this app right here. Once when you wake up and once before you go to bed, and it's not hard at all. I also brought my Roku stick so I can watch YouTube, Netflix, and pretty much anything. The food isn't too bad, but I'll get more into detail in my next video, which will be a day in the life video from when I wake up, what I do during the day until nighttime. And in that video, I'll show my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So yeah, all in all, this has not been a bad experience so far. Again, I am only like 4 or 5 days in, so who knows where I'll be at by 10 days in. I've seen a lot of vlogs where the rooms have been dirty, or the food is terrible, or it's been flat out hella expensive. So I'm super thankful that this is affordable, the food's good, the room is super clean, and all around just I lucked out. Thanks so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be a day in the life in my Korean quarantine. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.